Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can edit your photos in CapCut. So through this video, I'm going to show you the features used to edit your photo through the CapCut mobile. So here, the first that you can do to edit your photo is add filter. So click on filter here, and CapCut provide you with lots of cool filter that you can apply to your photos. You can just choose which one that you want to use, for example here, and you can also click on adjust. So adjust here, you can correct the you can do color adjustment on your photos. You can adjust the brightness, the contrast, the saturation of your photo, and others color adjustment that you think is necessary. Okay, or you can also add some photo effects. So click on the effect. Now click on the photo effect. Here there are so many interesting photo effects that you can use. For example, the first one that I try is autofill, like this. It will zoom out the photo. Or there are also the 3D zoom pro. So this effect once go viral on TikTok, you can always see the 3D zoom viral edit. And there are lots of other photo effects that you can try on CapCut. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.